Welcome to my YouTube channel. All you want cars new info, please subscribe for more updates. The 2025 Mercedes AMG GT 63 Pro 4MATIC Plus is a high-performance luxury vehicle with exceptional engineering and motorsport-inspired features. Here's an overview. Engine and performance. Engine: a handcrafted 4.0L V8 biturbo engine paired with an advanced cooling system for enhanced performance. Power output: increased horsepower and torque, offering high-speed capabilities and optimized for lightning-fast lap times. Aerodynamics: features an active air control system and redesigned aerodynamics that enhance stability and reduce drag. The addition of underbody deflectors and a fixed rear wing increases downforce. Braking and wheels. Brakes: standard AMG ceramic high-performance composite brake system with large 420mm discs, offering durability and precise braking response. Wheels: 21-inch forged wheels in a cross-spoke design, equipped with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 or Coupe 2R tires. Design and features. Exterior: motorsport-inspired carbon fiber accents, an aggressive front apron, and aerodynamic enhancements. Interior: includes AMG performance seats, a Burmester 3D surround sound system, and details in Petronas colors, emphasizing the Formula One connection. Limited edition: the Motorsport Collectors edition is limited to 200 units, featuring exclusive design elements and top-tier materials. The 2025 AMG GT 63 Pro is designed for luxury and speed enthusiasts, blending cutting-edge technology with a focus on driving dynamics. For more details, visit the official or review its